Hi guys, welcome to iReview Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. This video, I'm continuing to talk about the products that are great for gum and teeth health. So here I have Periorub. It is by Nature's Answer. It is a pretty tiny bottle. It's the rub that is good for periodontal wellness. So if you've noticed that you have sensitive teeth, sensitive gums, you could use the toothpaste for sensitive teeth. Obviously, that helps. But most of them do contain fluoride, and it still might be a big irritant. And as the dentists, I guess, recommend, you shouldn't use these toothpaste for a long time. So sometimes it's good to switch to something that has more natural ingredients, because that really helps. So it's a natural gel. It supports teeth and gum health. It offers fast, effective, long-lasting comfort for teeth and gums. It contains phytoplanolone, whatever it is, right? It's a herbal extract. It's an herbal extract that has shown in independent laboratory studies to promote cell vitality. Because you know, some people who have periodontal problems, it's the blood circulation, their gums are lacking, so the nutrients are not going in, and thus a lot of problems. Now, it has oregano, it has CoQ10, folic acid, cinnamon, and clove. All of them promote tissue and gum wellness. It also freshens breath and energizes the whole mouth with cool, sparkling, minty, fresh sensation. If you feel your teeth are sensitive, there is nothing else you can use. You could even use this tiny thing for a toothpaste. See how you like it. But normally, the way you're going to you're going to get a cotton swab and you will massage this gel into your gums and pockets if you have any. Even if you don't have any, but you see periodontal issues, they start like, you could develop for 10 years even. So it's better to start beforehand, right? Before you really have these problems. Now, you could use it as often as needed. And it's good for children 2 to 6 years of age, but just use a very small amount, and obviously consult your doctor. So it's a great product with great expiration. It really gives good soothing support for your gums and teeth. So if you like this video, if you have any other products that have helped you with this issue, please welcome to share it with us, and I wish you all the best, and I'll see you later.